Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it is officially my maiden voyage on the Monster, aka Baby Monster, because it's 15 by 7 and Luke's is 18 by 9.5. So this is a smaller monster. Alright, so this is a two-parter video kinda, because I'm also about to do segments at Battle of the Butte, or Battle at the Butte, Battle of the Butt, I don't know what it's called, but I'm gonna do my segment racing as my first time riding this thing. There's segment 1 and 3, and there's 4 segments, and today's 1 and 3. This segment starts on a downhill. This is kind of chunky in here. There's a few rocks and stuff. This is like the most technical part so far that I've really done. This downhill start. See, there's big roots and rocks. Oh, I think I'm crunching. I don't know if I'm crunching or if it's just losing power. It's so easy to over torque. I have a high-speed motor on this big old tire, so I have no torque. You could probably go like 60, but I don't want to do that. I want torque, but Fungi, they're sending me a high torque motor. I just don't have it yet. So far though, this is pretty crazy. Like, it's just eating all this bumpy, chunky up. I guess I should mention the reason I haven't tried it yet is because I hurt my knee last week, the day before I got the rails and the XL to practice for this race. Alright, segment 1. Oh, this feels insane. I just ran this on my board to get a little bit of a comparison. This is nuts. And I could probably lower the PSI more too. This is crazy. Hit this ball. Woo! Obviously, I'm not trying to set a time right now. I'm just getting a baseline for how it feels. Haven't ridden it, but so far this feels pretty crazy. It sounds crazy too. Definitely think the grip is going to be nice out here. Here's Bree doing this. Yoo! Scared to go fast because I'm not used to it, and it would hurt and fall. Ooh. The grip though, this is kind of crazy. I don't know if we're allowed to cut through here or if we're supposed to go this way. That's definitely going to need to be marked off if we're not allowed to cut through there. Ooh. Ooh. Definitely a little slower to slow down. Less torque and heavier board. It's 43 pounds, by the way. Not very heavy, especially compared to Luke's Monster. About 21 pounds lighter. Ooh. Definitely the grip on this loose stuff that's usually pretty scary. It's not as bad. I don't really know how much better it is, so I'm not pushing super hard, but I can tell that the grip is better for sure, to be expected. Alright, we're about to go through this little single track part around the lake. Definitely do not want to fall, but we're gonna cook through there to feel how that feels. It doesn't feel too bad. You have so much air volume, it actually bonks pretty fat. Oh, this is crazy. It's like, it feels like the first time you rode a 5-inch, except I'm used to the 5-inch BTG. That sounds so crazy. know how to turn it yet. It's so easy to over torque because it's a high speed motor and a 15-inch tire. Did I go through this thing yet? I have no idea where the fucking finish is. I feel like I went through it. I have no clue. Alright, so just uploaded the Hermes. And I got like, I don't know, 5th on the trail or something. A lot of people have been going all day. I'm late to the party as usual. But anyways, I think that's where 2 goes. That's single track. It's like the only single track in the course. Because it's going to be head-to-head on Saturday. Anyways, Hermes, I got 2 miles per hour, 2.5 miles per hour slower than the top guys so far. For my first run on this board ever. I mean, it's pretty good considering I was barely pushing. It's definitely an adjustment, but it's a lot less of an adjustment than I was expecting. Like, it kind of just feels normal already. The stance is pretty wide, but it's not like crazy because I have my footholds that come in more. But yeah, I mean, that was pretty nuts. I don't know how else to describe it. I don't know, I guess I'll run that one again now that I kind of trust this more. I only went like 25 there. I was hitting like 30 pretty easily on my board the first runs. It's really easy to hit speed out here. Course is pretty damn smooth other than that beginning part that's like downhill and scary.
How was the baby monster?
The baby monster. Pretty crazy. Definitely think that it's viable.
Hearing it go.
Dude, the sound is crazy. It's like. We're gonna give her the beans a little bit on this one and see how it feels. I might have lowered the PSI a little too much. Just feeling a little bit tippy side to side. But I'm also just not used to it. And I am giving it the beans a little bit more now. My knee definitely can't flex enough for this stance, but that bonk's fun. Definitely have to be active with the remote because I have it really lowered. I'm getting motor crunch, so I'm scared to go fast on the acceleration. Whew. Slid out a little bit. I'm gonna try this in case it isn't allowed. I don't know what the lines are through these starts. Such flat turns. Ooh. This thing's definitely going to be more about the top end but I'm scared to push it into this top end. I wonder if Mercedes was like, what the fuck is that sound? They probably thought I'm on the EC. It's definitely not my fastest lap, but it's faster. See, like here I could take out so much faster on my board. Who would have thunk normal BTG can be considered small in 2026? I really need to start taking real race lines instead of hitting bonks for fun. Again, I don't know where the fucking finish is. Must have been back there, right? Can't be up here. Yeah, it's gotta be back there somewhere. I hope. Hard to tell. But yeah, I mean, I don't know what the time's going to be, but that's definitely going to be a semi-competitive time. And I literally don't know how to ride this thing yet. I think that was a big thing people weren't realizing with Luke's board too, is he had barely ridden that at Dirt Surfers, and he still got second, barely, like 9 seconds off or something. Obviously, once he has a few months on that thing, he's going to be a lot faster. 9 seconds over 20 minutes is nothing. The improvement he's going to make is at least 10% from there, because when you're first learning how to ride a board, you're definitely not at the limit of it. And he also was on a low torque motor. He had a Cannon Core V3, and that thing felt even weaker than this, honestly. But yeah, I mean, not much more to say other than to be expected. That fucking felt great with a high torque motor and some time. I think I'm definitely going to be rocking this. I mean, it seems ridiculous at first, and Luke seems ridiculous at first. But as I saw him over the week more and more, and he was riding it, and I'm watching him, and I had to try it, like, it just seems like a no-brainer. The grip, the squish, the rollover, like the ruts aren't there as much. I mean, especially once I'm able to raise it a little bit too, so I get my clearance back, and I'm used to the wobbles and stuff. Definitely fireboard. Also, subscribe, people. Why aren't you subscribed?